In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Color Picker in Affinity. Now, the first thing you have to do here in Affinity, you want to go to the very bottom left here inside the vector, and you can click on this Color Picker tool, and then it's going to pop up this tool over here, which will kind of be like a magnifying glass, and you can just go around your images and select wherever you want the color to be selected. So for example, this red color, if I click it, it's going to change the color over here on the right hand side, and then of course right now it automatically recolored this, but that's just because I had that specific layer selected. If I didn't, this wouldn't happen. So let me unselect it and then just select this color. There we go. As you can see, it only picked the color. And then when you do that, of course, it's going to adjust according to whatever you click on. Now it's going to start spinning here on the right, and that color is going to be saved. Mind you, you can also do it if you are inside any other tool by basically taking this color picker, but in this case, you will have to just hold and basically click and hold down your left mouse button, and then from there you'll be able to go ahead and navigate to a point where there's a specific color you want to take, like let's say you want this color up here, and then you will have to release your left mouse button, and this is going to basically capture that color. So those are the differences between these two color pickers. Then what you can do with this is very convenient. If I were to, for example, take a random object over here, like let's just do a rectangle here, I'm going to pop it up like that. I can now basically pick this color directly and put it onto that specific object or image or whatever you want to use. So let's just pick a color over here. I'm just gonna do this gray color I have here. I can then click on that object and just click on this button next to the color picker, and it's going to recolor that specific object. So that's how easy it is to use it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.